Let's face it, conserving money is not an easy undertaking, particularly for students. It is known that having your monthly allotment in green rather than red numerals will reduce stress, financial difficulties, and, of course, make budgeting much simpler. So without further ado, time to see if you can make use of one of our student tips for money saving shared in this video. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe MJ Business Channel for more future updates. So let's start. Number 1. Try out financial management. It is generally accepted that putting theory into practice is the best thing to do. And even if you are not a university student studying business or economics, you should absolutely think about something fundamental in the financial world: budgeting. Just grab a pen and paper or launch an Excel document, then list your expenses for the preceding month. Once you've done that, assess your income to get a clear picture of your monthly financial situation. Do you notice any places where you could improve to make additional savings? You believe you can start saving $100 right away. That's great. That's one method to deal with a budget deficit. Number 2. Make use of your student status. You may not have given it much attention, but being a student is a legal position. It is evidence that you are actively enrolled in school and that you are eligible for a variety of preferences and discounts to help you maintain a better budget. Keep this in mind, and whenever you can, check if you can request any particular guidelines that are applied to students. For instance, the following time you take the bus home, you might receive a 20% discount. Number 3. Save up from free online services. Technology is crucial for maintaining a regular living in today's environment. It is particularly essential for students who have a lot of project work and other university obligations. But is it really better to use expensive services all the time rather than something free? Consider a program you use every day, such as Microsoft Office. Did you know that Office 365, a completely free online version, even runs the most recent versions of Excel, Word, and PowerPoint? Or that a variety of entertainment services, including Netflix, Spotify, and others, offer free trials that you can take advantage of. Number 4. Practice your cooking skills. It is acceptable to have a passionate relationship with food. Food is love, food is life, as many people like to say. However, it is dishonorable to spend a sizable percentage of your hard-earned cash on delicious food that you can make yourself. Do you enjoy chocolate? Great. Head to the neighborhood supermarket and pick up some biscuits, a chocolate jar, and your preferred cream or syrup. Next, try your hand at baking a chocolate cake with these 3 basic, inexpensive ingredients. The best case scenario is that you discover you've been paying way too much for cakes at university cafes that didn't even compare to your own. Number 5. Reconsider your sports activity. Even though your university may have a modern gym with a variety of sporting activities, there is frequently a straightforward issue with access. It is frequently very expensive. Your favorite sport may end up costing more to practice on a monthly membership basis than your rental. You exercise freak. You can find a temporary fix by switching to a completely unrelated activity that doesn't call for specialized equipment or terrain, or even better, go to the gym. It may help to play some competitive sports like basketball, football, or table tennis, or to try something else like yoga at home. Save money while easing your mind. Number 6. Think twice before shopping. Everyone these days wants to be on top of the most recent developments in fashion and technology. You may even have the shop a lot, and save rather not disorders as a student, which can negatively impact your savings, wallet, and pocketbook. Try to keep watch of sales and limited time offers that are approaching in order to prevent this, especially during the changeover from one season to another. Make a list of some things you want and practice the proverb, patience is a virtue. They might appear at a reasonable price for less money around Easter, Christmas, or a national holiday. Additionally, the internet and occasions like Black Friday and Cyber Monday can be beneficial to you. Number 7. Mobile plan. You likely include it in your phone cost when determining your fiscal situation at the beginning of the article. But unlike other expenses you could have, this one is incredibly simple to drastically lower. You can still save money on a cell plan even if you are the most talkative student in the world and always need to be in touch with friends. How? Did you forget about WhatsApp, Viber, Skype, and Messenger? All you need to do is highlight a few places you frequently visit and see if you can rely on a quick and secure Wi-Fi network. You might choose a package with more internet bandwidth than calls or texts if you still desire to have basic mobile service while avoiding a contract. Number 8. Be open to free stuff. Whether it comes as a surprise or not, the modern business is well aware of the student's limited financial capacity. And that's why you virtually always see a variety of goods being distributed for free around your institution. Don't pass up these chances, since occasionally you can find far healthier options that are just as tasty as Red Bull and Monster Energy. You might occasionally additionally be required to take part in an enjoyable game or activity, or be given the opportunity to win a larger award. Of course, keep an eye out for additional gift cards and vouchers that can be given along with the merchandise. Number 9. Share with your friends. Have you ever thought about distributing nearly everything among your friends? It almost feels like you are in a relationship, but one that could help you save money. You can try with your roommates or fellow students to get the greatest results. Come up with smart suggestions for ways to cut costs from your budget. What about the cost of decent internet and cable TV for a single contract that is divided in 3? Or a membership that is open to everyone but isn't personalized? There are so many options. Number 10. A penny a day. There is no better way to wrap up this post than with a tried and true method of money saving. Consider it a challenge. All you have to do is start with 1 cent, save 2 the next day, 3 the next day, and you're done. You may save more than €650 if you can maintain this pattern for a full year, or 365 days. That's a lot of pennies right there, I tell you. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.